Hey guys, what's up?
Well, I didn't ask you, Vicky. You asked it. What's your username? Let me see. What's your username?
It's me.
Oh,
It's JKJY, your funny friend, who joins you when you get on once a week. No, you know what?
I'll revive you. Alright, time to kill Red.
Fuck, I'll just end my...
His floating gorilla. Someone show me now.
Oh, just wait.
I told you I'd kill you. I told you I'd kill you.
I'll kill you back.
I'll kill you back. No. Just wait.
Just wondering if you're able to just shut.
He ain't gonna kill me back.
How to buy a grappler?
Okay, it's enabled.
Oh, I know. You do? I'm a white cat. Here, I'll buy your grappler.
Cat. Can we do?
Where are you? Oh, yeah.
Yo! Wait, cat! Wait, cat! I'm right here with you!
Where are you?
I'll join you.
Wait,
Where are you? Shredder Black?
I don't have them a lot.
Yo, does anybody want to go on a ride? Does anybody want to go on a ride? Somebody grab a saddle, and then I can bring you on a
I
ride.
want a ride. Here, I'll give you a title right now.
Okay, yeah, give me a saddle,
Let me, give me a second. I need to look for the title.
Guys, come!
Here, found it.
Oh, perfect. Okay, give me it. I'm kinda, okay.
Come down.
Drop it. It's kinda hard. Now get on my back,
I'm trying to.
You on? Oh, shoot, wait, I'm trying to stay down.
I'm on it.
You're on?
Left.
Let's go, son!
Yay.
Come on, son! We're fine.
They're flying. What the heck?
Okay, then. Locations. I'm such a good guys. To my smart locations, my location, smart head says I'm an idiot.
I just slammed my knee on my table. Somebody give me kissy to kill to cure my.
Oh,
boo-boo.
I can.
I was just joking.
I can.
I was just joking, bro.
Bro, you've been hitting the gym. Bro, broccoli is healthy.
Hang on, goody, one daddy.
Hold you now since you're so heavy and strong. Bro, I mean like you're so strong the zipline can't even hold you.
Ooh, that was
Thank
a
you,
good
bro.
roast, dude.
Hi. How are you doing that?
Lingan, goody. Yo, stop!
He's Red Watch.
Ah!
Yo, who wants to go on a ride? Taxi service.
Wait.
Taxi service. Anybody? Taxi service? Wait. Okay, wait. You want to be on a taxi?
Give me a sec.
Okay.
Boy, I'm so gay.
I need a stick.
Guys, can somebody give me some gems? I'm broke.
Oh, please.
I'm broke in my backpack. I have nothing. Yo, Green, you want a piggyback?
Yo.
Who wants a piggyback? Not me. I do not want to be part of the. Oh yeah, Green.
Boy.
Get on me, Green. Let's go. Here. It's kind of hard. I'm trying to stop. Tell me when you're on. Are you on?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I want to be part of the saddle.
Come on, thank you. I had a grappler.
I want to be on a saddle. Guys, who wants to go to the mines with me? I'm ready for the mines.
Me, I'll go to the mines, but kill me so I can get rid of this low gravity.
Okay.
I bet.
Try and stay on the ground. Hey, hold on to that machine. What is it now? Which one is this one? Bro, you respawn.
Okay, let's go to the mines.
Literally
Thank you, bro.
What the? Bro, you gotta bring a flashlight, buddy. Bring a flashlight. You just gonna bring a backpack full of broccoli? You need something to mine with.
Oh,
You need
shit.
something to mine with. Like a pickaxe. Like a crowbar. Get a crowbar to to mine with.
Okay, I got one. I got it. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
No, bro, the mine is this way. Dude, that's the sewers, and I don't know how to get out.
It's okay. Come on. Come on. Hurry.
Yes, I'm gonna help you guys with the.
Okay. Give me a second.
I'm gonna become a ghost, everyone. No.
Whose headset's gonna crash?
I don't fucking know.
Everybody's.
Bomb mining?
Is my rubber duck in my backpack okay?
I'm a ghost.
I don't know.
Yo, Chad, I bet can't no one grab me. Can't no one grab. No, 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 not there, not there.
Sorry, it joins.
No. I'm gonna go in here. Wait, no.
Bye bye.
Oh, hey, bomb.
Man, this fucking asshole!
See if my friend is on.
Stop. Hey, move out the way.
Free grappler.
Can I have the grappler?
Please.
Dear brother. Can I have the grappler?
Hello?
Yeah, I am gay.
Hello? Hello?
What? No, this is my go. Yeah. Bye bye.
You wanna come down there, Tiki Bud?
Oh shit!
Yeah, G.
What?
Oh, G tripping. Please. Please. Bro, actually,
I'm gonna rape you.
tripping. Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah.
You'll think you're fun, think you're high on a pillow.
Hey, bro, what did you just say? What did you just say?
Maker.
What did you just say? I got my massive bone cheeks.
Why you look like that? Oh, you're all scuffed up. Let me help you out real quick.
What's up, Shoe?
Ah, hell yeah.
Hey, what's up, bro?
No, let me leave, please. Let me leave. I want to go to the stop.
Hello?
Please.
Oh,
I'm
shoot.
a ghosty. I'm
Yeah?
being,
What's up, bro?
Ah, that great, dude. We both got you.
You can't kill me, you suck. You can't kill me.
Who said that? Who said that?
oh, I'm trying to get them. Go.
No,
Go
come.
away, dude.
Put me back in my body, please.
No,
Thank you, bro.
Oh, my dream come true!
please.
A ghost!
Please. Help me.
Oh, my dream come true!
Do not help him. Do not help him. He's a bad guy.
Thank you, please.
Which one's my friend? Are you?
Me.
Please.
Yeah, you're my friend.
Please. No, I'm fading away. I'm fading.
Thank you.
Oh shit. Sorry about all that.
Oh. Well, I guess we all died.
I gotta help you, bro.
That's me. No, this is me. This is me, bro.
Help that guy. Help that guy.
This is me.
Buddy, please.
Come.
What about me? Bro,
Revive me.
My friend, turn back into a human being. Please help me. I don't want to be like these guys.
Now let's help.
Don't put him back.
No? Okay. Good. I just
Let's put him in the water.
Here.
Put him in the water.
Grab it.
Put him in the water. Put him in the water. Go put him in the water. Put him in the water.
Let's go! Let's go!
Oh, you want to die?
Nigga.
Hey, bro, cuz. Hey, yo, cuz. Yo, cuz. Back off.
Which one's my friend?
It's me, bro! It's not him! It's me! It's me! I'm your friend, yeah!
I don't think I can get that deep in the water.
Yeah, don't go!
Dang it. Just respawn, bro.
Yeah. Let's kill him.
Sorry about that.
Oh, I'm sorry that I smoke, but it's just my habit.
Just get out of the game.
Oh man.
Who's this kid?
What's who?
Donald Duck? Is that you?
Oh wait.
I thought Donald Duck died.
Wait, you're my friend.
To what?
Hey yo, Reindeer, you're my friend.
What?
Hold up.
I'm gonna...
Yeah, I'm gonna go join my other friends. See y'all. Oh shit. Where we whoop.
Hey, shoot me. Shoot me. Skeleton, shoot me.
That-
No,
Oh,
not
him.
you.
Okay.
Not you. Shoot me, skeleton.
Shoot him, bro.
Skeleton, shoot
Shoot
me.
him. Hey,
Put me back in my body. Put me back in my body. Grab it from him.
Put him in.
Grab it from him. Grab it
Do
from
it.
him.
Do it. Put
Yes.
it. Nah, bro, I'm putting you in the stash machine. What do you say?
This is...
Bro, I
gonna
gotta kill
kill
you,
this kid.
okay?
Wait.
Hey, Lucas? Yes, I will. Hey, bro.
You
No,
die.
did you know? Did you know I could just
I
undo
gotta kill
it?
you. I gotta kill you.
No, you don't. Come here. No, go kill it.
Nah, I just.
Hey, bro, Lucas, come out spawn. I'm gonna join one of my duping friends. He's so good at duping, bro.
Wait, can I join you? Please.
No, go kill yourself, bro.
I think he's mad because we killed him. I think he's mad because we killed him. Because he said, go kill yourself.
Just the red watcher.
No, you don't.
He's still here.
Nah, no, that's the skeleton.
Wait, I know. Yeah, the skeleton.
Hold it, join me. Hello?
Yeah, you wanna post with me? So Don't kill me. I tried to kill a red wall. I tried to kill someone else.
Join me again. Join me again.
No help, no help.
Hello? Hello?
Just go to town to mention.
Where are they? Put me back on my body. Help. Your bomb.
Yeah, I know.
Where are these kids? We're gonna bomb them.
Wait, I know. I have an idea. Come.
It's like a landmine update.
I don't need that. Bro,
I launched you too.
me too.
Wait, you ready? Watch this.
Oh, look, come, look.
Wait, how? What?
They are on the Easter forest. Easter, I think.
Wait, you ready?
Yeah, because
Watch this.
it's over there.
No, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Okay. You almost killed me, bro. Wait. Look.
I'm a banana. I'm a banana. I'm a banana.
How he's still alive?
I have the invincible mod.
Are you sure about that?
Bro, she's scared of me. She doesn't even want to.
Yeah, I do have that actually. Here, but I can only kill myself.
Kind of killed me.
Okay, wait, I gotta review the video. I don't know if it actually.
I
good.
didn't go. It's there.
Bro, it's me. It's me, your friend. It's me, your friend, bro.
Wait, what's your username?
I'm Shu.
Here's
000.
000.
Oh, okay.
Here, there. Shoo.
No, I don't want it.
Here, yo, we're gonna have to redo that one, but I'll call you when my Oculus is
Wait, what? Redo what?
50%.
Redo what?
My thing's at 4.
All right.
Wait, what are you guys
So
doing?
just stay in your Discord, okay?
All right, bye.
Wait, what are you guys doing?
I'll explain to you right now. It's because we're doing top 5 scariest monsters in Animal Company for a YouTube video, and I'm helping him record it.
I'm learning how to edit though.
So we had to go to Haunted Mansion right now to get like the nun or whatever.
Can we go?
Yeah, I'm still learning how to
wanna go
edit.
for it.
I'm still learning how to edit. Like
Who
videos.
won this grappler for free?
Nah, we should. Wait, can you? Let's do a short. Let's do a short.
Bet.
Where are you? So the short. Hello. We should do a short, bro.
I'm here.
Okay.
It's like me. It's like me. Oh, I
Let's
ate
do a
too
short.
much Taco Bell, and then I do this. Oh. And I'm all the way up here. Look. And I just fly. I just legit fly.
I have a better idea.
Alright, what?
So, wait, hold on. Let me remember.
Oh, it doesn't have ammo.
Let me remember the video. Okay.
Kind of.
Wait, what happened?
I went to the TV.
Oh, okay.
Alright. So, the video, we're gonna be going in front of red light, green light, and I'm gonna be with a crossbow. Where's the other one? Okay, the video I did is with a crossbow, and y'all are gonna see what we cut it in. And
Okay,
Sue
give me
is
a
in-
crossbow. Wait, I gotta buy you
No,
a
I'm gonna be
crossbow
the-
then.
No, I'm gonna be the one shooting.
Okay.
And I'm gonna be the one hitting you.
My head's
with
slow.
the cross. Alright,
Wait.
let's go do it. Come on, just get like.
You
just
need
stuff that you-
another
Wait, get what stuff?
No, just let's go. Let's go.
Alright.
We're gonna be
What did
going
I
to Red
get?
Light
What
Green
did
Light.
I get? Tag green, yellow.
Alright, what you're gonna pretty much do is go in front of red light, green light, and I'm gonna be shooting off and like put the captions like, bro, I hate my teammates, bro.
Okay.
And just you're gonna.
Yeah, Whitney, do you?
How we do it? Whoa. Yellow, what? What are we gonna do?
Yeah, what do we got?
Y'all are gonna go in front of red light, green light, and I'm gonna hit y'all for crossbow, cause it's
Alright.
a video. Alright, go in front of red light, green light. Go.
Don't move.
Alright.
Go in front of red light, green light, both of y'all. Go in front of red light, green light.
Alright.
Damn it, hold up. Where's my cross? It's because I think it's no PvP. And my crossbow.
Child up.
Well, let me